at that. Great.
What are you doing?
It's water. This is bad. Dad. Where's my mummy?
I'm not sure if you should be doing that, Lucy.
I don't know where my little teddy can be. Guys, to me. Look, I've been going to it. Just wonder what it.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
I don't see him there.
There's just crazy children.
You know what, Mummy?
That's Claire's bum. This is Ben. He's been to Legoland. He got an elephant. He stuffed Edward.
I'm going to dress him. And here is his clothes.
Here's his clothes.
And he even got shoes.
He has shoes.
Going to put him on him when we go in the restaurant. And he's even got his own little birth certificate.
Oh, look at that car. I wish I had a car like that. Oh, that is my car. Meanwhile,
What luck.
what luck. Meanwhile, Claire is emptying her car.
Right, now I have broken the box.
Oh. I'm not sure if your mother's going to be really happy with you for getting so wet.
Oh. Are you going to be happy if he's going to be wet? Ben, come over here! Hey, you idiot! Oh, hello. Hey, you're not playing on me! I'm getting out of this!
Guys, I think you're going to get told off for doing that.
Come on! You'll do it!
Carl.
I love you.